about metric conversion, specifically about square and cubic units. Okay. So if you remember last time, sa previous video natin is meron tayong conversion ladder. Ito nga, from kilo to milli. Okay. So set natin aside ito. Okay. Just a sort of review. Okay, meron tayong isang example and then gagawa natin ng conversion. Review lang to ha, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating main topic. So we have 320 meters is equal to how many centimeters? So if you recall, exactly, ang gagawin po natin is yung meter is ilolocate natin. So we all know na yung meter is dito yan located kasi nga that is the base unit. And then yung centimeter naman is dito yan siya. Okay. So next natin gagawin is lagyan natin ng markings itong dalawang to and then, okay, remove natin ito. And then we all know that it will take 2 steps from meter to reach centimeter. So ang gagawin natin is yung value na 320, kasi 320 yan and we all know that the decimal is located here. Okay, itong decimal is move natin ito twice to the right. And then every movement of the decimal, lalagyan natin yan ng isang 0 kasi nga the movement of the decimal is just 1 decimal place. So kumbaga, ang answer natin dito is ito ay magiging 32,000 centimeters. So again, this is just a sort of review. Now, proceed tayo sa next example. Okay. If you take notes, if you can see, the next example natin, 3 meters squared. Now, take note, meron tayong exponent dito na 2. Ibig sabihin po niyan, that is square units. Okay, square units po yan. Okay. Magkaiba yan dito sa example number 1 natin kasi example number 1 natin is just linear. Okay. So, square units to. Now, ano nga ba ang kaibahan na makikita natin yan ngayon? Okay. So, yung meter or meter squared, okay, locate natin yan. Dito pa rin yan sa ating base. Hindi ko na lang lalagyan. Okay, kasi nga meron naman tayong example na ganyan kanina. Okay. Centimeter squared naman or centimeter is dito yan located. So, lagyan natin ng markings itong dalawang place na to. Okay. So, from dito, it will take 2 steps. Di ba? To move. Okay, so since ang given natin is 3, so lagay natin yung 3 dito. And yung decimal is located dito. So itong decimal is, imumove din natin ito ng dalawang beses to the right. And please take note. Okay, move muna natin yung decimal. Please take note na pag yung unit natin is square units, every movement of the decimal is dalawang decimal digits po yan. Or dalawang decimal place. So ang gagawin po natin dito, lagyan natin ng tig dalawang 0. Okay, so yan lang pong ilalagay natin sa ating isipan. Pag square units, tig dalawang decimal place yung lalakbayin natin. And so, ang answer natin dito is 30,000 centimeters squared. Ganyan. Okay. So, I hope klaro. Punta tayo sa pangalawang example. Okay. Square units pa rin. This time, 45,000 dm. Ano ba tong dm? dm natin is, okay, decimeter, square decimeters. Okay. So, convert natin ito to hectometer squared. Okay. So, gagawin natin, locate natin itong dm dito. Okay, and itong hectometer is dito. Okay. So, from D, papuntang hecto, ilang steps ba? Okay, so lagyan natin ng marking and it will take 1, 2, and 3 steps para umabot dito. So, yung 45,000, lagay natin dito. And then yung decimal is located here. Okay. So, since 3 steps to the left tayo, so move natin yung decimal 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You notice, tig dalawang decimal place yung nilakbay natin. So, move natin yung decimal. And then, since dito, meron siyang space, so lagyan natin dito ng isang 0. Kasi nga, tig dalawang place yung lalakbayin. So, dalawang place dito is 0 and 4. And so, yung answer natin is magiging 0.045 hectometer squared or square hectometers. Now, you might wonder, sir, bakit wala na yung tatlong 0 dito? Okay, pwede na natin ilagay yung tatlong 0, pwede ding hindi. Understandable lang yan. Okay. But, preference natin is shorter, so hindi natin ilagay yung tatlong 0. Okay. So, next example. Okay, ito. So, you might notice na yung exponent natin dito is 3. Tawag dito is cubic units. So, ano bang kaibahan ng square units at cubic? Cubic units is, okay, you're right. Tig tatlong decimal place na yung lalakbay natin per step. Okay? So, meron tayong 2.3 and then meter cube. Locate natin yung meter. So yung meter is located dito. Okay? Okay? And then yung millimeter cube naman is dito yan. Okay, so lagyan natin ng markings itong dalawang to. Okay? And from here, it will take 3 steps papunta dito. Okay, so same pa rin yung gagawin natin. Yung number natin is 2.3. Please take note, the decimal is located here. 3 steps to the right, so move natin yung decimal. 1, 2, and then 3. And since cubic unit tayo, lalakbayin natin yung tatlong decimal places per step. So kumbaga dito, since kasali na ang 3 as 1, lagyan natin ng dalawang 0. Move natin muna yung decimal. Dito dalawang 0. Okay? Dito tatlong 0 and tatlong 0 dito. So, magkano ba to? Our answer here is 2. Okay, 2.3 billion or 2,300,000,000 millimeter cube. Ganyan. So I hope klarong-klaro. Okay, pag linear, tig isang place lang. Pag square units, tig dalawa. And pag cubic units, tig tatlo. Okay. If you want a copy of this PPT, you just go to this link, bit.ly/bossyingsmath, and then meron tayong konting instruction done to follow. And then, as soon as I receive your request, I will be sending you the copy of this one. Thank you.